Summer in Toronto, where the diversity is such that it's not like a Hindi Afrobeat, and I might be getting the wrong South Asian language, so it could be Gujarati, it could be Tamil, it could be Sinhala, who knows, right? But Punjabi. But anyway, there it is, Toronto. Let me tell you. Okay, yeah, I know the rest of them come from other city, New York, Chicago, Philadelphia, Buffalo, wherever, I don't have it to, but still. It's all, I'm just speaking from a Toronto perspective. Am I there? Fantastic. Oh yeah, in London. Birmingham. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay.